and this is my channel. I just have a short little video today. Did you ever wonder the ads that you get on Facebook and Instagram, what those products would be like? Well, stay tuned and I'll show you one of those products. So if you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. If you like this video and its content, please hit that subscribe button, tap the bell button so you get notified of my future video, and a thumbs up if you like it. And of course, if you're returning, thank you so much. I appreciate your loyalty to my channel. So I had ordered a couple things off of those ads. One was Private Society, and I will link that video above because I did that probably about a month ago. And this one is from Lurella. I had never heard of that cosmetic company, but they were offering a couple mystery boxes. One was like $35 and maybe one was $60. So I got the one that was $35. So I did undo it, but I haven't peeked. So let's see what's in it. Of course, they give my little trail that I can leave my goodies behind. And they don't have a card in here. So I don't know the retail price of the products or actually what they even are. So let's see. The first thing is by Lurella, and it is Soul Sister. What a catchy name. And it's eyelashes. Now, I keep saying that I want to practice with eyelashes. My God, they're giving off quite the glare. Still haven't done it, but I don't know if this would be a pair that I would start off with. They look a little bit too lashy for me. So let's see. The next thing in the box is also by them. And it is a beauty blender, but it's got something on the bottom. So this is what it looks like. And it's a pretty color. I don't have this color. And of course, my struggle with opening packages is still there. So here is the beauty blender. It feels very soft, and on the bottom, okay, the writing couldn't get any tinier if I wanted it to. It looks like soap. I don't know if it's soap to wash the beauty blender in. It doesn't say. So it does smell really good. So I'll have to go on their website and check to see what this is. And again, I think I paid with the shipping and everything like $35. So far not too impressed with $35, but you never know. The next thing, of course, is by them, and it's in the color Glory, and I don't know what it is, and they do have this wrapped up good. And I did bring my scissors. I came more prepared. I hope you guys are having a great week and the weather is getting by you. I know some places just got a bunch of snow, so I hope you're doing well with that. And this doesn't say what it is. Let's see. It tells me the ingredients and it tells me the color. Oh, it's a liquid eyeshadow. Looks so much like lipstick, but it is a nude kind of color. I'm getting there. Nice packaging. And this is the color. I will swatch it. See that color? Ooh. It is a pretty, I guess if I was going out at night, I might give it a shot. Then the next thing Don't know if it's a lipstick or an eyeshadow, but it is in the color Blanche, so I'm assuming it's a lipstick. Liquid lipstick. Getting the hang of where to find these things are going. So at the end of this video, I went to an outlet mall. Now, most of you know I don't live near any stores, and my son came in town and he was staying at a hotel that is right next to an outlet mall. So while all the men went golfing, the women went shopping. And I'm going to show you what I got on my little shopping trip. Oh dear. I don't know if you can see, the sun's in the way, but it's kind of like a purpley color. I don't know if I want to swatch it because I probably could not get away with wearing this color. It is a pretty color, but just not for me. And I think there's one more thing in the box. They terrorize into this. So with that being said, with this being the last thing, I'm not impressed with the fact that I spent, I'm pretty sure it was $35. I'll leave the definite amount that I paid below and a link. I saw another YouTuber unbox one of these. She spent $60 and she got definitely her money's worth out of there. So I'm a little disappointed with this box, but you know, you got to try these things once. And again, it was a mystery box, so I thought it might be kind of fun. And this, as I ripped it open, is Iconic Glow, and it says love that for you. Oh, that's the color. Don't know what it is, but that's the color. Love that for you. This is what the color looks like. I just don't know what it is. It could be an eye thing. It could be a lip thing. I'm thinking it's a lip color. I'm going to open it because now I'm curious. That's the color. I will swatch it. I still don't know what it is. It looks like it's a lip color. You tell me. It's, I guess, a lip color. So I got the mystery lip color. I got the eye shadow, the lip color, and the blender, and these dramatic eyes. I wouldn't order it again. As I said, I did like the $60 box because it came with a gorgeous, gorgeous eyeshadow palette and a bunch of goodies. But this $35 box to me was a bit dud. So let me just show you what I got on my little trip out. It doesn't say on my invoice thing what I paid. It just said mystery box, but it doesn't say what I paid. Sorry. So, you know, these outlet malls have all the designer brands, but the cheaper ones. So I got a Coach handbag. It is like the perfect size. I got my little Coach tag on there. I'm thinking of just walking around with just my little Coach tag. But it's got the Coach lettering. As I said, it's just such a perfect size. And my favorite part is it has a strap. It has this really nice strap. But wait till you see what's inside. what attracted me, what I wanted first, was this gorgeous wallet. It's a wristlet, and this part is leather, and it's got the coach, and it's got all these pockets. It's got the zipper in the back that would fit my phone and everything, but the only way to carry it was as a wristlet, and I would lose this in a heartbeat. But I can take the strap that came with the purse and actually put that onto the bag. I still have all the tags on there, so I was waiting to show it to you guys before I used it. Yeah, so these malls are very dangerous. I don't know if any of you have these outlet malls near you, but they are a danger. They had all sorts of stores. They had the shoe stores and of course the intimate stores, and I mean, you can spend a ton of money. So I can attach my strap, and then I could take the wallet out of the purse, so if we're going on the bike or we're just going out and I don't want to have to drag the whole purse. So let me know what you thought of my little shopping haul. And now I know why I don't live near shopping. But it was fun, and it was fun to get out. Sorry, the phone rang. So as always, you guys have an awesome day. Please leave me comments what you thought of my little mystery box and what you thought of my new Coach handbag. And have a great day.